So here I'm going to be doing a video that I've been very anxious to do over the last few days, and that is finally opening up the video game Spider-Man 2 Collector's Edition box set for the PS5 that comes with the Steelbook and notably that Venom statue with Spider-Man and Miles Morales. At the time I'm recording this, the video game Spider-Man 2 has just come out from Insomniac. And it's a game I've been super looking forward to. The first Insomniac Spider-Man game from 2018, I absolutely loved. I think it's the best superhero game done, even better than the Batman Arkham games. You know, that's kind of set the standard before the Insomniac Spider-Man. Then the Miles Morales sequel for the PS5 was a fun follow-up, but it was more of a glorified demo than anything else. It was, pretty short, but still fun to play. But yeah, Spider-Man 2, the true sequel, and all the different stuff that comes with the game, playing as Peter Parker, playing as Miles Morales, the updated graphics, the villains that are coming in. Can't wait. And I was so looking forward to the game that I decided, you know what, if it's a game I'm looking forward to that much, I might as well buy the collector's edition, which was a little pricey. It was $229 for all of it, but still, for the actual game and just the excitement and all the stuff that comes with it, couldn't resist, especially that Venom statue. And as you can see, I still haven't even opened it up from its shipping package. This arrived on Friday, but I haven't even had the chance to open it. This is a few days later at the time I'm recording this, just because if I'm going to pay that price for it, I might as well show it off in all of its glory. So let's go ahead and get started. Through the magic of editing, I did just lower the angle so I can focus on the actual box and all of that. So here we go. And this beautiful packaging, like I said, so excited I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet. Alright. Like I said, this was a little pricey, $229, but if it's a game you're that excited for, might as well pay the big bucks and have all the cool stuff that comes with it. Because, when you look back in hindsight, if you just stick with the rinky-dink little edition of the game, or the, just the regular disc and whatnot, that's not really gonna cut it. That ain't gonna fly. Woo! Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we're just gonna tear this box open like so. And then, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There we go. So you can see now why it was such a big box. Just holy shit. That is unbelievable right there. Yeah, this box is beautiful. It's so beautiful that I definitely want to keep this box, because I mean, just look at that display. That is sick right there. The front, you got your basic cover image of the game that comes on the actual cover and whatnot. That looks beautiful. The kind of red, well, you see the kind of red that fades into the black. Obviously the whole symbiote thing going on in this game. Logo at the top. The back has the stuff that comes with the game. The Steelbook, the digital edition of the game. You don't get the full disc and whatnot, but whatever. Everything's digital these days. And of course that Venom statue. That looks sick as hell right there. What else is there? Oh, and just shows the pre-order bonuses, some of the extra costumes that come with it. Because that was a big gimmick and fun of the first game, all the different costumes that you get to use as Peter Parker. So that's a lot of fun stuff that comes with this. And again, that package right there, look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful box right there. That is sick. Alright, so it is a beautiful box, very beautiful, but unfortunately, it is at the point where we do have to open it, but I do want to preserve this box. This is fantastic right here. So let's see if I can open it up as delicately as possible. So there's some tape on the side right here. Actually, this kind of shows how tall the box is if you don't even like open it or whatever, you put it on the side. Alright, so thankfully they designed this in a way where you can preserve the box pretty easily. So you just do one cut on the side and it should open up. Let's see if I can. And you just gotta kind of try to slide it open. Let me get the other side too. Okay, so I got two sides open. I guess it doesn't really matter. I don't want to push it off the table. I'm going to push it this way. There we go. Alright. Oops. I heard a tear. I don't want to tear this box. I want to keep it. Oh, come on. Here we go. Alright. So we have the box nice and preserved. We got another box. Full-on black symbiote Spider-Man box. White symbol on the top right there. Ooh, that felt kind of heavy right there. And then you just in the box like so. Super slowly. Trust me, it's coming out. Maybe a little bit faster. Alright, here we go. Wow. Alright, so the top has the diorama of, or just a showcase of the Spider-Man and Venom statue. Pretty nice. Steelbook. Pretty sick. That steelbook. It's got Spider-Man, Venom, Miles Morales in the back. Pretty nice artwork. Doesn't come with an actual physical copy of the game. That is, yeah, this just comes with the voucher for the digital edition, but not bad. Be a pretty nice display. So on your top, got some protection for what I'm sure is the actual statue. Here we go. Oh my goodness! Holy shit! Yeah, wow. And there it is. So, interesting. I guess I never took really that good look at the statue. So, the statue, the first part of it, obviously you got Venom and all that. Put it in the front. There you go. So there's Venom from the game, looking really good. Then you got Miles Morales at the top. The Spider-Man part, Peter Parker I should say, it's actually separated, like so. So the actual way it's supposed to look, take a look at this. Oh, that's why. So it's separated because in the statue, it's Spider-Man shooting like a web at Venom. And so the web part, if I can find it. I'm not sure what this is. I'll hold on to it. I think this is the web part right here. Let's see. Yeah, that's probably it. So it's definitely an important piece in terms of displaying it and whatnot. Let's see. Okay. So here's the web right here. You just put it in the Spidey's arm. Like that. And then where it plugs into, oh, looks like it's going to be, oh there we go. Plugs in on the shoulder. Because on the statue, Venom already has the spider web, sort of octagon or whatever, on his shoulder. So you just take it, and you put it in like that, and maybe you need to push it in a little bit more, because I think it's sticking out a bit. Let me see. I guess that's the basic gist of it. Doesn't feel too loose, although it could be in a little tighter. Maybe I just need to maneuver with it a bit more to kind of make sure I get the angle right. I see that it's in there. Let me see. Maybe I need to go this way. Nah, that doesn't look right. Cause I think it's better, Spidey needs to be like more towards the side. So it's plugged in, you put it on the side, and I mean, that looks decent. So I'm trying to go based on how the statue is supposed to look. So that picture that I have is right here. Yeah, based on the picture, like, Spidey and Miles are supposed to be a little bit more even. From the angle that it looks like on this, it's not quite as even as it could be. I'm not sure if I'm not plugging it in right. Let's see. Okay, it's plugged in. And then put it in like that. I mean, that looks a little worse, but it's kind of even. But that's the kind of basic gimmick of what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, that looks sick as hell. That's an amazing display. That's where the extra money's coming from with this price tag of $229. But it's not every day that you can get a video game that you're looking forward to that comes with a sick-ass Spidey and Venom statue. That's nice stuff right there. I don't believe there's really anything else that comes with this. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's some kind of cleaning supply or something like that. Diorama still, the same one I showed off before. And then that's really about it. But you got a nice box. So if you ever need to put it away somehow, keep it stored up, you can just put it right back in the box. And it is a very, very nice box. So that's basically all that goes into the Spider-Man Collector's Edition unboxing it. Like I said, I'm going to pay this money, might as well showcase the thing off. I'm super excited to have this though. This is a pretty cool looking statue, and it should be a pretty sick ass game to play and all that. So yeah, this looks really, really cool. Like I mentioned, I'm not sure if I'm getting the whole Spider-Man angle right on this, but that's the basic gimmick of how it's supposed to look. So you got your statue, you got your collector's edition, and you have in here, it says the digital bonuses you get with the deluxe edition, including my redemption code. If you think I'm going to turn this around, you're crazy. But yeah, redemption code for all that is right behind the... There should be an expiration date on here. No, I actually don't see one. There was an expiration code for the Spider-Man Remastered Edition, digital edition, that came with Miles Morales, but I guess I don't see one on there. But the sooner I get to play, the better. I don't think at the time I'm recording this, I'm going to get to really play the game until, probably tomorrow. Tomorrow as in Monday. Just because I have work I got to go to later, and I don't really feel like at the time I'm doing this, playing for like an hour and then going to work. There are some people that have already beat the game already. Unfortunately for me, that means I have to avoid a bunch of spoilers, mainly YouTube that tries to spoil the shit out of the game for me, unfortunately, with all the YouTube suggestion thumbnails and whatnot, so just gotta kind of block that out for a bit. I don't think I'm going to really try to play the game all in one sitting. That's a little crazy. For me, with any video game, I like to pace myself, you know, kind of do it in an episodic fashion to kind of spread out the fun and not feel like I'm exhausting myself playing it. But that's enough rambling in this video. That'll do it for this whole showcase of the whole Spider-Man Collector's Edition unboxing and the statue. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching.